हेलो नॉलेज सीकर्स, वेलकम टू द करंट नॉलेज चैनल। मैं जीनल आज आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी 1 मई से जुड़े करंट अफेयर्स के पॉइंट। सभी पॉइंट्स की पीडीएफ फाइल आप हमारी वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। वेबसाइट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद क्वेश्चन 1। व्हेन इज आयुष्मान भारत डे सेलिब्रेटेड? आयुष्मान भारत दिवस कब मनाया जाता है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 29 अप्रैल, बी 30th अप्रैल, सी 1 May, डी नन ऑफ दीज। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी 30th अप्रैल।
On 30th April, Ayushman Bharat Day was celebrated. The day aims to promote affordable medical facilities in remote areas of the country based on the socio-economic caste census database. It also aims to work for the health and welfare of the poor and will provide insurance benefits.
Question 2. Who will be the next ambassador or permanent representative of India to the United Nations? संयुक्त राष्ट्र में भारत का अगला राजदूत अथवा स्थायी प्रतिनिधि कौन होगा? ऑप्शंस आर ए सुनील अरोड़ा, बी टी एस तिरुमूर्ति, सी नीरज व्यास, डी नन ऑफ दीज। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी टी एस तिरुमूर्ति।
Central government TS, it has been announced that Tirumurti will be appointed as the next ambassador or permanent representative of India to the United Nations. He will replace Syed Akruddin, appointed as India's permanent representative to the United Nations in New York.
Question 3. Who has been banned by ICC for 2 years from all cricket activities? ICC ने किसको क्रिकेट की सभी गतिविधियों से 2 साल के लिए बैन किया गया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए शशांक मनोहर, बी दीपक अग्रवाल, सी मनु स्वामी, डी नन ऑफ दीज। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी दीपक अग्रवाल।
Deepak Agarwal has been banned by International Cricket Council for participating in any cricket-related activities for 2 years. The ban has been imposed on him by the ICC after he admitted to violating the ICC anti-corruption code. Now Deepak will be free to continue his participation in cricket-related activities after 27th October 2021.
Question 4. Recently, Rishi Kapoor, who was awarded the National Award, died at the age of 67. For whom was the famous? हाल ही में राष्ट्रीय अवार्ड से नवाजे ऋषि कपूर 67 वर्ष की उम्र में निधन हुआ है। वो किसके लिए प्रसिद्ध है? ऑप्शंस आर ए ऑथर, बी एक्टर, सी पॉलिटिशियन, डी सिंगर। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी एक्टर। 5. CRISIL has reduced India's GDP growth by 3.5% for FY21। CRISIL ने वित्त वर्ष 21 के लिए भारत की जीडीपी ग्रोथ को 3.5% से घटाकर कितनी की है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 2.5%, बी 1.1%, C 1.8%, D 2.0%. And the correct answer is 1.8%.
The CRISIL rating organization broke down its previous gauge of India's GDP development rate from 3.5% to 0.8% in financial year 2021. CRISIL has assessed an all-out loss of rupees 10 lakh crore or rupees 7,000.
Question 5th. CRISIL has reduced India's GDP growth by 3.5% for FY21। CRISIL ने वित्त वर्ष 21 के लिए भारत की जीडीपी ग्रोथ को 3.5% से घटाकर कितनी की है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 2.5%, बी 1.1%, C 1.8%, D 2.0%. And the correct answer is C 1.8%.
The CRISIL Rating Organization broke down its previous gauge of India's GDP development rate from 3.5 to 0.8% in financial year 2021. CRISIL has assessed an all-out loss of rupees 10 lakh crore or rupees 7,000 for every capsia because of the lockdown forced to control the COVID-19 plague.
Question 6. Who has been appointed the new chairman of the Public Enterprises Selection Board for a 3-year term? लोक उद्यम चयन बोर्ड ने नया किसको 3 साल के कार्यालय के लिए अध्यक्ष नियुक्त किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए सुनील अरोड़ा, बी नीरज व्यास, सी राजीव कुमार, डी none of these. And the correct answer is C Rajiv Kumar.
Rajiv Kumar, the new former Finance Secretary of Public Enterprise Selection Board, has been appointed as chairman for a 3-year term. He is a 1984 batch IAS officer of Jharkhand cadre. His appointment has been made after approval by the Appointments Committee of Cabinet headed by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He will replace Kapil Dev Tripathi, who has recently taken over as Secretary to President Ram Nath Kovind.
Question 7. Who was sworn in as Vigilance Commissioner? सतर्कता आयुक्त के रूप में किसने शपथ ली? ऑप्शंस आर ए सुरेश एन पाटिल, बी दीपक मित्तल, सी नीरज व्यास, डी none of these. And the correct answer is options A Suresh N Patel.
Banker Suresh N Patel was on April 29, 2020 sworn in as the Vigilance Commissioner of the Central Vigilance Commission through video conferencing. Patel was administered the oath of Anti-Corruption Watchdog Office by Central Vigilance Commissioner Sanjay Kothari.
Question 8. Which country hosted the 45th session of the World Meteorological Organization UN Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific? किस देश ने विश्व मौसम विज्ञान संगठन, संयुक्त राष्ट्र आर्थिक और सामाजिक आयोग एशिया और प्रशांत के 45वें सत्र की मेजबानी की है? ऑप्शंस आर ए इंडिया, बी ओमान, सी बहरीन, डी यूएस. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी ओमान. Question 9. Who developed BER-D, a natural product-based Alzheimer inhibitor? अल्जाइमर अवरोधक आधारित प्राकृतिक उत्पाद BER-D को किसने विकसित किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए ICMR, बी ARI, सी CSIR, डैश CE CRI, डी JNCASR. And the correct answer is option D JNCASR.
Full form of JNCR is Jawaharlal Center for Advanced Scientific Research. Scientists from JNSR have modified the structure of berberine into BER-D to use an Alzheimer inhibitor. Berberine is a natural cheap product similar to curcumin available commercially.
Question 10. Who released the Global Report on Internal Displacement GRID? आंतरिक विस्थापना GRID पर वैश्विक रिपोर्ट किसने जारी की? ऑप्शंस आर ए UNDP, बी IDMC, C WHO, D UNESCO. And the correct answer is option B, IDMC.
Geneva-based International Displacement Monitoring Center (IDMC) released its Global Report on International Displacement 2020 on 29th April.
Question 11. Who has been appointed the head coach of the USA national team? USA की राष्ट्रीय टीम का मुख्य कोच किसने नियुक्त किया है? Options are A. J. Arun Kumar, B. Deepak Kumar, C. Kapil Dev, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. J. Arun Kumar.
Former Karnataka cricketer J. Arun Kumar has been made the head coach of the USA national team. He will replace interim coach James Payment.
Question 12. How many $1 million loan has been approved by ADB to Maharashtra for cooperation in energy sector? ADB ने महाराष्ट्र को ऊर्जा क्षेत्र में सहयोग करने के लिए कितने $1 मिलियन के ऋण को मंजूरी दी है? Options are A. $300 million, B. $346 million, C. $350 million, D. $400 million. And the correct answer is B. $346 million.
ADB has agreed to provide a loan of $346 million to the Maharashtra state government for providing reliable electricity connections in rural areas of Maharashtra.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Bye bye. Thank you.